You are driving in the middle of a journey or on the highway, and what happens? Somebody say, "Hey, Oga, your tire, your tire, your tire." You have a flat tire. If you don't have power, or you don't have energy, or you don't have motion, it will be a big problem for you. Or you are a lady, though many ladies can fix their tire or replace it, but a good number can't do that. So what should you do? Firstly, changing of your car tire is a necessity because it can happen at any time and you need to always do that in order to continue your journey. So the first thing you should ensure is that you have your tires replacement kit available. What are those? You have an emergency jack. We call it an emergency jack because it's only the purpose it should serve is only for tire replacement. Or normally use it to fix your car, like we do in almost all the workshops in Nigeria, local workshops. They don't use good jacks. They use emergency jack. It's dangerous. If that jack breaks and you're under, your head, your head may just cut off with the car. So be careful how you use that jack. So you need your emergency jack. Then you need your wheel spanner, your wheel nut spanner, any name you call it. So you need that to lose the tire. Then the next thing you must ensure is that you have a spare tire, well inflated, well inflated. And also you may need some edge. What are edge? Edge are those things you put on your tires to ensure that they don't roll off. So some of us we can put stones, wood, anything we find available around us to be able to do that. So when you do it, you quickly, depending on the position of the tire that has been deflated. So what you do is you take your jack and go down, find a level surface and place it under the jack holder. There is a jack holder under the vehicle close to the chassis, and you place it there and you begin to wind. This is where your energy, your power, your muscle that play a role. So what if you don't have power? Hey, just find someone around that have power and pay the person to do it. But if you have the power to do it, you keep turning it clockwise. When we turn it clockwise, it leaves the vehicle. When we turn it anti-clockwise, it brings the jack down. So you turn it clockwise, but before you turn it clockwise or before you start lifting it, ensure you loosen the tires to a bit. This could also be difficult. But a trick or an hack you can use is get a long pipe and place it on the handle of the wheel nut spanner, and you can use that pipe to give you more more force to be able to turn it up. So once you have been able to loosen it or slack it a bit, don't lose it completely. Then you cannot lift with your jack, and when you lift it up to a comfortable extent and height that is the tire is able to be removed comfortably from the wheel, then you loosen it completely and then you can take the tire out. Depending on the brand of vehicle, the type of tire, it may have different methods of fixing it. So you fix it carefully and you tie it back. Now it is more important to have the tools and an inflated tire on your spec than having the power to do it, because you can always get someone to help you. But if you don't have a tire or a jack or the wheel nut spanner, no matter if you have a billion persons or even if you have a billion persons, without a spare tire, your car won't be there. So ensure every time you check your spare tire. And for some vehicles or some type of tires, when your tire has been kept for a long period of time, it may deflate itself. bending, I don't know, maybe wrong or previously done tire job on it was not done properly. So ensure time interval you check if your tires are well fitted, and your jack, your emergency jack, and also your wheel nut spanner is available. Also, you can take a lot of wedge around, so that maybe you are in an area that you can't find anything to use as a wedge. You can always use that to ensure that your car has everything needed in case you have a deflated tire or a punctured tire, because you may have well inflated tires and just driving along the road and a nail or something, any other sharp object, and just hit it, and then what happens? The tire is punctured. So ensure you have your spare tires, and with that you are good to go. Again, keep giving your vehicle what it needs, and your vehicle will give you the performance that you want. Thank you.